दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन. Good morning from Goa, Bobbies. We just woke up only to find out that Afu is missing. I guess he's gone out for a walk. So now we need to check out of this resort and go to our Airbnb where some other friends will be joining us. Packing our bags, bruv. पहली नजर में ऐसा जादू कर दिया. Who's at the door? जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को दिल किया जी लेज़र. मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है कहाँ. Afu, how many cafes did you hit?
As of 10 a.m. we've hit 3 cafes so far.
We know, only you.
I hit 3 cafes so far.
Any food?
A granola bowl.
Okay, we now brushing our teeth and then we shall also go for some food. ये देखो गरीब regular toothbrush, electric toothbrush, retro toothbrush, AI generated toothbrush. Bags are packed. Time to check out now. Are you hungry?
I am hungry, but we will hold our hunger until brunch.
Is it not brunch time yet? It's 11:30 a.m. All right, Bobbies. Here's the rest of our group. You know Afu. The rest will introduce themselves.
Fair enough. Alan, Eric, Ashish,
And Sam.
I'm Akash.
Akash, the groom. He's getting married next month. The boys are having some drinks. We're gonna grab a small bite and then go check into our Airbnb. Starting my day with some protein. I have a chicken steak here with some veggies. Bobby's meat meows. Yeah. He likes saying his own. He or she? She likes saying her own name, meows. Okay, meows, go meows. First physique check here in Goa, bruv. How we looking? I mean, yeah, physique has gone soft, but I'll still take it. Now I'm leaving the boys behind and going out for lunch. I'm going to my secret spot. It's my most favorite meal in the whole wide world. Pooja's Fish Thali. They have the best fish fry, the best curry, the best rice. It's honestly amazing. Look at how pretty Goa is, man. Coconut trees, clean air, and the smell of sea water. Bobbies, we out here at Pooja's. Sir, kaise ho? Here's my fish thali meal, bruv. I have one kingfish fry, plain white rice, fish curry, sol curry, some salad, and beans ki sabzi. I also have an extra fish fry, and this is chanak, white snapper. Bro, the only fried food that I thoroughly enjoy and I think is worth my calories is the fish fry here at Pooja's. The fish curry is burning hot. They just opened the shutters, by the way. 1 a.m., 1 p.m. is when they start serving lunch. It's hot, 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 hot. Oh my god, straight to heaven, Bobbies. Bro, just look at the rava coating on that fish. It's literally perfection. Although it is deep fried, it is not dripping in oil. That is something I truly appreciate. Fucking absolutely love it, bro. Oh, and by the way, you also get some squid or prawn fry along with this meal. I opted out of it because I'm allergic, right? So it's just going to be fish and curry for me. Look at the consistency of that curry. Not too thick, not too thin, just the right consistency. You see these tiny fish that they use to make curry? Bro, these tiny fish are packed with flavor. They are the ideal choice for a fish curry. You gotta be careful while eating these tiny fish though. Lot of bones here. This meal is not just mine but also Shefali's favorite meal on planet Earth. I called her up, sent her a picture of this. She is feeling so left behind. You see the clientele here at Pooja's? It's just locals, bro. That's how you know you're at a good spot. भाई इधर जो खाना है ना, दिल से बनाते हैं, दिल से खिलाते हैं, और मुझे भी लगता है मेरे दिल पे जाके लगता है. Bro, what a meal, bro. Okay, now let's go check out the Airbnb. Oh, so we have a proper villa. Bro, open. Yeah, it's closed. What's up?
What's up?
How's the villa?
Not the best, but
It'll do, right?
that's the job.
It's not bad, bro. What's up, bro? You like the place?
I love the food.
Where's the pool?
I don't know yet.
Common pool, huh? Okay, let's go check out the pool first. So this is the pool. Pretty small, but at least it looks clean. You wanna hop in?
Come, let's get ready.
Like what else? We don't have anything else to do.
Might as well.
I mean, I want to grab ice cream. You want ice cream now?
Sure.
We'll go. Come, just come. Eric and I will go grab ice cream first. So there's this place called as what is it called, bro? I forgot the name. It's a gelato spot right here in Anjuna. Cream Chalk.
Cream. Oh yeah, fuck. I saw
Bro,
that.
it's the best gelato in India.
Mad reviews.
Mad reviews, but also mad pricey. Check out the flavors, bro. We have Belgian chocolate, pistachio, salted butter caramel, hazelnut, dark chocolate. And of course, I went with the OG flavor, which is dark chocolate sorbet and hazelnut. Bobbies, I'm in the room taking a nap now. I think that fish thali got to me. This is what Goa is about, bro. Fish and sleep. I slept for a solid 60 minutes only to wake up to pizza. Eric woke me up and told me there's pizza. So if you want to eat, you have to get your ass off the bed.
Pointing the camera to yourself.
Yeah, I'm pointing to myself.
fine.
I'm aware. So he mentioned that if you want to eat, get your ass off the bed. So here I am eating some pizza with Afu.
Good vibes, man. The villa.
Bobbies, I've now got Afu to cream chalk. He's never had ice cream here before. They also have frozen yogurt if you want to try.
I'm not that healthy.
Oh, I'm gonna get frozen yogurt. Not for health. I just want to try it. How's the gelato?
Crazy good. We got dark chocolate sorbet and cookies here.
Honestly, I didn't expect cookies to taste this good. Even I got it, bro. Cookies is insane. Bobbies, there's a boutique showroom here called Safed. Let's go check out what they have. I found something that I like. Bro, one shirt was 6,000 rupees. Yeah, that's not gonna work out for me. Oh, there's some Diet Coke here. Come, we'll buy Afu.
Supply is low, guys.
Supply is low. Wherever you find, take off. One. I want, no. Two. And for variety, one Coke Zero.
Oh, yeah.
Back to the Airbnb, and it's now time to wake up Sharan. He's sleeping, bro. I let him take a power nap. Good morning, darling. Good morning, Coke PGA.
There's another Coke I have at a party.
Oh, this is not the Coke you have at a party.
That's
We'll get you the other type of Coke.
A lot of people are gonna hear that, bro.
Alright, Bobbies, we've now come to Pablo's. Woo! We're gonna get some food, some drinks for the boys, and have a good time, hopefully. Right?
Absolutely.
You guys remember Sab? Our vegetarian friend.
Shout out to Sam.
Shout out to Sab. And Akash, what's the plan for the night?
I have no idea. I'm just taking it as it goes.
He's just taking it as it goes, bro. The second we checked into the Airbnb, he went and crashed in his bedroom. And guess what the crazy part is? Man sleeps with his eyes open. I'm gonna attach a video now. Okay, I'm gonna attach a video. He sleeps with his eyes open. Here's the bar counter at Pablo's. What are you getting, boys?
I'm getting tequila.
You're getting what?
Tequila.
And I have a Diet Coke. Cheers. To all the underage kids watching this, first of all, why the fuck are you watching me if you're underage? This is like my 5th can of Diet Coke in the last 1 hour. They're drinking, so I need something now. How much food will I eat?
Guys, I think Mohit doesn't need alcohol to get drunk.
He's high on life, bro. He's high on life. We've now come to an entertainment center to play beer pong. The teams are Akarsh, Eric, Sab, Afu, Sharan and Alion. Akarsh is winning. Oh, how many did you get, Akarsh?
I got 5.
Oh, Sharan's throwing. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
I only perform on camera.
Oh, he only performs on camera. Oh, yeah!
Thank you.
Mic drop, mic drop. That was a mic drop moment. I'm sure you guys know the rules of beer pong. If Sharan throws one into their cups, then they have to take a drink. Sab is taking the drink because Sharan got one in. Alright, Bobbies, I'm now going to take a shot. Sharan, show them the cups. I'm going to throw it in the left corner cup, okay? Left corner. Oi! I'm not as good as Sharan, guys. Sorry. Done with the games, Bobbies. We've now reached to our Airbnb. Time to pass out?
We'll see, bro. We'll see what the rest of the night has.
It's either pass out or midnight dessert. I did not get my midnight dessert. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.